Why has the global promise of upward mobility stalled, and what can restore it?
What will be the future of work in the age of AI?
How do we rebuild trust in the institutions that shape our economies?
How can we make housing affordable?
How do we unlock productivity without leaving anyone behind?
These questions aren't hypothetical, they're urgent.
And they demand a level of economic thinking grounded in the latest research.
We need economists ready for this complexity.
Who can lead despite uncertainty?
Economists who can guide policy, drive reform, and lift others.
Because these questions, they don't just need answers, they need solutions.
And solutions require advanced economic thinking.
That's what this program delivers.
The Master of Economics at UNSW Business School offers advanced education in economic theory and policy at a global top 20 university.
Taught by economists whose research shapes policy at central banks, government agencies, and beyond.
For 1 year, you'll learn alongside senior professionals who share your ambition.
And hybrid delivery means you can study while you work.
When you finish, you'll have the knowledge as well as the technical edge and the credibility to lead.
The Master of Economics at UNSW Business School.
Advanced education for advanced careers.
Join us and apply now.